ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मधु ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 650। Who will go across the avidya? कः अविद्यायाः पारं गच्छति?
श्रुति आचार्य दर्शित मार्गानुसारिणः।
श्रुत्याचार्य दर्शित मार्गानुसारी। एक वचनम आया, so एक वचन mean those who follow Shruti, those who follow Acharya, those who will keep themselves under the control of Shastra and strictly will follow that, they will attain this Brahma Jnana. Na itare swabuddhi kaushalanusarina, they will not get just because on their own strength they have understood something, they will not. Further, तद यथा इत्यादि वाक्यार्थम विस्तरेण उक्त्वा वृत्तम कीर्तयति। तद यथा अरा रथनाभौ, that was the दृष्टांत. He explained it in detail. विस्तरेण उक्त्वा वृत्तम कीर्तयति. What is वृत्तम means what is already kathitam. कीर्तयति, he says about it. परिसमाप्ता ब्रह्म विद्या अमृतत्व साधन भूता. ब्रह्म विद्या परिसमाप्ता, it is the amrutatva sadhana bhuta, it is the means for amrutatvam. ठीक है, ब्रह्म विद्या परिसमाप्ता चेत किम उत्तर ग्रंथेन इति आशंक्याः. So if Brahma Vidya is over, then we have volume 2 remaining of Radharanyaka. And some portion here also. So see in Bhashya. Yam Maitreyi Prishtavati Bhartaram Yadev Bhagavan Amrutatva Sadhanam Veda Tadev Me Bruhi iti. What is this Brahma Vidya Amrutatva Sadhana Bhuta? What Maitreyi asked her husband. Maitreyi Prishtavati Bhartaram. Maitreyi asked her husband. Yadeva Bhagavan Amrutatva Sadhanam Veda. Whatever Amrutatva Sadhanam that you know, because when she said, will I become immortal with all this, what you are leaving, that wealth for me? He said, no. So she said, Yena ham namrutasyam tena kim kuryam. Something like that she said. Etasya brahma vidyayaha stutyartha iyam akhyayika anita. Etasya brahma vidyayaha stutyartha. This akhyayika is for that purpose. Iyam akhyayika anita. Anita Shrutya. By Shruti, this Akhyayika is brought. Upasthapita. Shrutya Upasthapita. Iyam इति प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणस्थाम आख्यायिकां परामर्शति. Iyam आख्यायिका, you said iyam means it has to be sannikrishta. What is the proximity here in Brahadaranyaka? So Tikakar says pravargya prakaranastham akhyayika. The first two chapters of Brahadaranyaka, they are called pravargya prakarana. Then third chapter onwards the Upanishad begins. So the first two are called pravargya. See, it is given in the 9th tippani. भाष्यकृत अव्याख्यातम आद्यम बृहदारण्यक अध्याय द्वयम प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणम. भाष्यकृत means भाष्यकृता, by this bhashyakara. What is not vyakyatam, those two chapters are called pravargya prakaran. Anita idam vai tan madhu ityadina brahmanena iti shesha. Anita idam vai. This is what is brought, Anita. Tan madhu ityadina brahmanena iti shesha. तदेतद ऋषि ही इत्यादेश तात्पर्यम आह. In Bhashya, so tadetad rishi is how the next portion is going to begin. Tasyaha akhyayikayaha artha prakashanarthau. In brief, it brings the meaning of the akhyayika. टीका तद्वान नरा इत्यादेः एको मंत्र है. इत्यादि ही एको मंत्र. तद्वान नरा इत्यादि एको मंत्र है. आथर्वणाय इत्यादि ही अपरः. आथर्वणाय इत्यादि ही अपरः. Let's see the mantra now. That is on page 652. इदं वै तन्मधु दद्यं आथर्वणो अश्विभ्याम उवाच तदेतद् ऋषिः पश्यन्नवोचत् तद्वान् नरासनये दंस उग्रमाविष्कृणोमि तन्यतुर्न वृष्टिं दद्यं यन्मध्वाथर्वणो वामश्वस्य शीर्ष्णा प्रयदीमुवाचेति. See the meaning of the mantra. Idam, so the first line is a Brahmana. Idam vai tan madhu dadyang atharvano ashvibhyam uvacha. This is Brahmana bhag. Then tadetad rishihi pashyan avochat. This is mantra bhag. So there is a story of Dadyang Atharvana Rishi and Ashwini Kumara. So that's why it is said Dadyang Atharvanaha Ashvibhyam. Ashvibhyam because there are two Ashwini Kumaras. Tadetad Rishi Pashyan Avochat. This Rishi, who is a mantra drashta, he saw and he says this. What? Tadvam. So that is what we saw. It said Tadvam is one mantra. Tadvam Nara ityadihi eko mantra. So that is this Tadvam Nara. So Naraha means this Ashwini Kumara who in the human form, even though they are devatas, in the human form, what they did, sanaye. Sanaye means labhaya, for their gain. Gain of Brahma Vidya. Damsa. Damsa means a karma. And what kind of karma was this? Ugram. Ugram karma. Terrible karma that they performed. I shall reveal it to you. Avishkrinomi. These Ashwini Kumaras, for the sake of the gain of Brahma Vidya, performed a terrible karma. That I will reveal it to you. How? Just as Tanyatur na vrishtim. Na means eva. Tanyatuhu. Tanyatuhu means the clouds or thunder of the clouds. They reveal the rain to come. Like that, I shall reveal it to you what the karma they did. Tadyang ha yan madhva tharvano vam ashwasya shirshna yad provacha iti. Then ima is there, im. Im, dirgha im, ima, that is nipata. Pra will go with uvacha. What is the sutra?
छन्दसे परेपि
Chandasi pareapi. Vyavahitascha. Vyavahita sambandha. So this Dadyang Atharvana Rishi, when he saw Madhu, not Dadyang Atharvana, this Rishi, the one who is seeing this, Mantra Drashta Rishi, seeing Madhu, he says, I shall tell you this, what? That this Dadyang Atharvana Rishi, he taught Madhu Vidya to Ashwini Kumara. Madhu Vidya means this Brahma Vidya. This Vidya is called Madhu Vidya. So now let us continue from where we left. मंत्र ब्राह्मणाभ्याम वक्ष्यमाण रीत्या ब्रह्म विद्यायाः स्तुतत्वे किम सिद्ध्यति इति आशंका आता. With the help of mantra and brahmana, mantra brahmanabhyam vakshyamana ritya brahma vidyayaha stutatve kim siddhyati. If you do brahma vidya stuti, what do we accomplish through that? Kim siddhyati iti ashankyaha evam hi. एवं ही मंत्र ब्राह्मणाभ्याम स्तुतत्वात् अमृतत्व सर्व प्राप्ति ब्रह्म विद्यायाः प्रकटीकृतं राजमार्गम उपनीतम भवति. मंत्र ब्राह्मणाभ्याम स्तुतत्वात् अमृतत्व सर्व प्राप्ति साधनत्वं ब्रह्म विद्यायाः प्रकटीकृतं. So ब्रह्म विद्या, for that राजमार्गम उपनीतम, this with the help of mantra and brahmana, amrutatva prapti sadhanam brahma vidya is rajamargam upanitam bhavati. It takes you to the rajamarga. Means it makes it so clear. What does that brahma vidya do? Two things. What are the two things? Amritatva prapti and sarva prapti. Brahma vidya is sadhanam for two things. Amritatva also and attaining everything. तस्याः मुक्ति साधनत्वं दृष्टान्तेन स्फुटयति. This अमृतत्व साधनम, for that दृष्टान्त is given. यथा आदित्य उद्यन शार्वरम तमो अपनयति इति तद्वत्. Just as the sun which has risen above the horizon, Sharvaram tamo apanayati. It destroys the Sharvaram. Sharvaram, Sharvarau bhavam. Sharvari is the Shabda. Ratri is Sharvari. Sharvarau bhavam Sharvaram. Tamaha, the darkness of the night, it dispels. Rarely I use a sentence where there is no Sanskrit in that. Like it dispels the darkness of the night. Tadvat. Tika. केन प्रकारेण ब्रह्म विद्यायाः स्तुतत्वं तदाह. In which way it is doing स्तुति of ब्रह्म विद्या? अपि च एवं स्तुता ब्रह्म विद्या या इंद्रराज रक्षिता सा दुष्प्रापा देवैः अपि. अपि च, not only that, moreover, evam stuta brahma vidya, this brahma vidya which is praised in this way, evam stuta means mantra brahmanabhyam stuta. Brahma vidya ya indra raja rakshita. Indra protected this vidya. Sa dushprapa devaihi api, other devatas also he didn't give, but it is available to us. But you know, this Indra, Raja, he will see if somebody is not Adhikari, then he is the presiding deity of mind. So he will do something in the mind, gone. That is what he does. Unless you say what is mind, where is mind, there is no mind, then it is different. अपि शब्दः स्थावक ब्राह्मण संभावनार्थः. Api Shabda is talking about this. Stavaka means the one which is doing stuti, that's Stavaka Brahmana Sambhavana. Mantra Dvaya Samuchayarthascha Shabdaha. Api Cha, that Cha Shabda is for Mantra Dvaya Samuchayartha. Both mantras put together. Evam Shabda Suchitam Stuti Prakaram Eva Prakatayati. Evam, apicha, evam is given, evam shabda suchitam is stuti prakaram. How great is this Brahma Vidya? It is so difficult to attain because Indra is protecting it. Ram. Devaraj Indra. Yasya dushprapatve hetum aha yasmaditi. Yasmad ashvibhyam api deva bhishakbhyam indraha indra rakshita vidya mahata ayasena prapta. Ashvibhyam api deva bhishakbhyam. Ashwini Kumara, they are the Vaidya of Devatas, Deva Bhishak. Yeah. From them, Indra Rakshita Vidya. Means Indra protected Vidya from them also. He did not want Vidya to go to anybody. But Ashwini Kumara got it. महांतम आयासम स्फुटयति ब्राह्मणस्य इति. So great effort is talked about brahmanasya iti. Rakshita vidya mahata ayasena. What is the mahat ayasa now? Brahmanasya shiraschitva ashvyam shiraha pratisandhaya tasmin indrena chinne punaha स्वशिर एव प्रतिसंधाय तेन ब्राह्मणस्य स्वशिरस्यैव उक्ता अशेषा ब्रह्म विद्या श्रुता. Akhyayika is actually summarized in one sentence here. So Ashwini Kumaras, they wanted Brahma Vidya from Dadyang Atharvana Rishi. They approached Dadyang Atharvana Rishi. Dadyang Atharvana Rishi said, Indra has told me not to give Brahma Vidya, otherwise he will cut my head. So they said, we have a solution. They brought one horse. They cut the horse, head of the horse, Ashwa Shiram, and they cut the head of Dadyang Atharvana Rishi. They put the horse's head on Rishi's body and Rishi's head on horse's body. So it is alive now. This is working. Then he said, start Brahma Vidya. As soon as he started Brahma Vidya, so then Indrana Chinne, Indra came, destroyed that head. Punaha Swashira eva pratisandhaya, because these were doctors, Vaidya, they again did the surgery and he started Brahma Vidya, rest of the Brahma Vidya. So Indra could have come again, but once he did it, so he thought, I am done. So then, by Brahmana Shira, Brahmana Swashirasa eva ukta, Ashesha Brahma Vidya, that they heard. So because they cut the head of the Brahmana, it is called Ugra Karma. You should not do anything to Brahmana, and that too he is Brahma Vidya Acharya, Brahmanishtha Acharya, but they cut his head and then, of course, they put it, but it is a Ghora Karma. That's why mantra said Ugra Karma. Tika, Kritarthenapi Indrena Rakshitatve Vidyayaha Daurlabhye cha Phalitamaha. Indra, even though he is Kritartha, Kritarthenapi Indrena Rakshitatve Vidyavad Rakshita, Vidyayaha Daurlabhya. Vidya is so rare. Daurlabhya cha Phalitamaha Tasmat Tataha Parataram Kinchit Purushartha Sadhanam न भूतम न भावी वा कुत एव वर्तमानम इति न अतः परा स्तुतिरस्ति. तस्मात् ततः परतरम किंचित पुरुषार्थ साधनम न भूतम न भावी. Then the Brahma Vidya, there is no greater purushartha sadhanam. Brahma Vidya is the highest purushartha sadhanam. Na bhutam, there was no other sadhanam superior to this. Na bhavi, in future there will not be any. Kuta eva vartamanam, what to talk in vartamana also, none. Na atah parastuti, and Brahma Vidya stuti, greater than this, there is no stuti also. So this means this is the stuti, that Brahma Vidya is such sadhanam, superior to that there is no sadhanam, there was nothing in past, nothing in future, no vartamana, etc. Or this Akhyayika also is praising Brahma Vidya, that how great is Brahma Vidya. On the strength of Brahma Vidya, Acharya allowed that, okay, even if you want to cut the head, go ahead, I don't have problem. And fearlessness, that he imparted the Vidya no matter what. न केवलम् उक्तेनैव प्रकारेण विद्या स्तूयते किन्तु प्रकारान्तरेण अपि इत्याह. Not only in this way, ukta prakarena, by what is already said, by that alone Brahma Vidya Stuti is done. That is not the case. Other prakara is also there. Prakarantarena. Api ityaha. Api cha evam stuyate Brahma Vidya. Evam Brahma Vidya stuyate. In this way also Brahma Vidya Stuti is done. Tadeva prakarantaram prakatayati. So that prakarantaram, anya prakara, prakarantara. That prakarantara stuti is done. सर्व पुरुषार्थानां कर्म ही साधनम इति लोके प्रसिद्धम. तच्च कर्म वित्त साध्यम तेन आशापि नास्ति अमृतत्वस्य. सर्व पुरुषार्थानां कर्म ही साधनम. कर्म इज द साधनम फॉर ऑल पुरुषार्थ. But this karma is vitta sadhyam. You need wealth to acquire that. And amritatvasya vittena asha na asti. Tena vittena amritatvasya asha nasti. In Bhashya, तदिदम अमृतत्वम केवलया आत्मविद्यया कर्म निरपेक्षया प्राप्यते. This अमृतत्वम, how is it attained? केवलया आत्मविद्या, only by आत्मविद्या, कर्म निरपेक्षया, कर्म निरपेक्ष आत्मविद्या प्राप्यते. तत्र हेतुमाह यस्मात्. यस्मात् कर्म प्रकरणे वक्तुम प्राप्तापि सति प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणे कर्म प्रकरणात् उत्तीर्य कर्मणा विरुद्धत्वात् केवल संन्यास सहिता अभिहिता अमृतत्व साधनाय. तद इदम अमृतत्वम केवलया आत्मविद्यया कर्म निरपेक्षया प्राप्यते. इस अमृतत्वम आत्मविद्या कर्म निरपेक्षया प्राप्यते. बाय कर्म निरपेक्ष आत्मविद्या अमृतत्वम प्राप्यते. विदाउट कर्म ओनली ज्ञानम विल गिव यू इमॉर्टैलिटी. किमिति कर्म प्रकरणे प्राप्तापि प्रकरणांतरे कथ्यते तत्राह. इन कर्म प्रकरण, दिस प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरण इज कर्म प्रकरण. So there, even though it is prapta, this Brahma Vidya means this Akhyayika, prakaranantare kim kathyate tatraha. Yasmat कर्म प्रकरणे वक्तुम प्राप्ता अपि सति प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणे कर्म प्रकरणात् उत्तीर्य कर्मणा विरुद्धत्वात् केवल संन्यास सहिता अभिहिता अमृतत्व साधना. Even though in कर्म प्रकरण they are given, कर्म प्रकरणे वक्तुम प्राप्ता अपि सति, where in प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणे, प्रवर्ग्य प्रकरणे कर्म प्रकरणात् उत्तीर्य, what is said there, you finish this, then you rise above. Then that is why if you see, what was the first topic discussed in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad? Ashwamedha. Through that, Upasana, Hiranyagarbha Upasana was taught. So all other karmas were taught in the first two chapters were Pravargya Prakarana. After that, it was said the highest of the phalam that you can get with the combination of karma and upasana is in the form of this Hiranyagarbha Pada Prapti. So Ashwamedha, either you do karma, and those who don't have the sadhana, external means to do Ashwamedha, like some Brahmana, those who don't want to do Ashwamedha or cannot do Ashwamedha, They can do Ashwamedha Upasana, that his right leg is this and left leg is this, and all the other two front legs and head and this, that. Ushava, Ashwasya Shiraha, like that it started. So, in this way, it is presenting it. And now, after that, what is said, that even that phalam is not enough. It is anitya. Therefore, one should seek immortality, amritatvam, through jnana. So, I should have vairagya from the highest phalam of karma and upasana also. Prasiddham, and this, that's why kevala sannyasa sahita abhihita amritatva sadhana. In Brahma Vidya, sannyasa is what you need. Sannyasa sahita amritatva sadhana. Tika. Prasiddham pumarthopayam karma tyaktva vidyayam eva adare tad adhikata samadhikata iti phalitam ah. Prasiddha pumartha upaya is prasiddha purushartha sadhanam is karma. Karma tyaktva vidyayam eva adare. But here it is said, no, not in karma, you should have vidya. 13 number tippani is on adare, not on karma. Adare tad adhikata samadhikata. So adare pradarsyamane sati, vidyayam eva adare pradarsyamane sati, tad adhikata, that it is superior to karma. Brahma Vidya is superior to karma as purushartha sadhanam. Tasmat na atah param purushartha sadhanam asti. Superior to this, there is no other purushartha sadhanam. Prakarantarena Brahma Vidyayaha Sutim Darshayati. To another prakara Brahma Vidya Suti is shown. Apicha evam stuta Brahma Vidya. Sarvo hi loko dvandva ramaha. How Brahma Vidya Stuti is done, you see. Everybody is called Dvandva Rama. Somebody is Atma Rama. Most of the people are Dvandva Rama. Anatma ratim tyaktva atmani eva rati hetutvat mahatiyam vidya ityartha. This vidya is so great because it will say you give up rati in anatma. Anatma ratim tyaktva atmani eva rati hetutvat mahati iyam vidya. What is this? Everybody Dvandva Ramaha. How do you call us Dvandva Ramaha? He says, Savai naiva reme tasmad ekaki na ramate iti shrute. Nobody likes to be alone. Ekaki na ramate. Immediately they will bharya me syat ityadi ityadi. Iti shrute. So this we have already seen earlier. Yajnavalkyo loka sadharano api सन आत्मज्ञान बलात् भार्या पुत्र वित्तादि संसार रतिम परित्यज्य प्रज्ञान तृप्त आत्मरतिर बभुव. What a beautiful statement. How Bhagavan Bhashyakar visualizes Yajnavalkya Rishi. See, Yajnavalkya loka sadharano api. Loka sadharana means he is also a common man, manushya. He is not a devata, etc. Manushyatvadina itarajana sadrishya. Manushyatva is same in him also. So loka sadharana api. San atma jnana balat, but he gained atma jnana. And bharya putra vittadi samsara ratim parityajya. He gave up delight in all of these things. In patni, putra, vitta, all of them. परित्यज्य प्रज्ञान तृप्त आत्मरतिर बभूव, and only ज्ञान तृप्त, प्रज्ञान तृप्त आत्मरति, he took delight in this. So something to think about. When we give up something, right, do we feel pain of giving up or do we have joy of giving up? This is where we should think. Like Yajnavalkya Rishi, he had a great status. He was going to Janak Maharaj's court and just walk in, and king would respect him, do namaskar, do pada puja, would give him, listen to what he has to say, ask him questions, etc. I mean, this is not the ordinary person, you know. And he had disciples, etc., cows, other things were going on. And he had wives also. So everything is there. Now, when you have to give it up, what is the state of mind? Do I feel, oh, I have to let go of this, and I have to live in ashram? What kind of painful life I will have? Instead, there is a joy in giving up things that unnecessarily I am depending upon anatma. Anatma ratin tyaktva, earlier it was said. So giving up the delight in anatma and taking delight in atma, it is a joy to let go of all this. In general, you see, whenever people have to let go of something which is dear, what they don't like, if they have to give up, it is okay. In anatma, what I like, but I will happily let go of it, that is called sannyasa. So it is by choice and it is with joy. People generally misunderstand these parts. See, samsara ratim parityajya prajnana trupta atmarati hi babhuva. And how he was able to do? Atma jnana balat. Once you have atma jnanam, it is very easy. When you don't have, then you have to let go. There could be some struggle. But that is where you see what paripashya yatha purve, anupashya yatha purve, pratipashya tatha pare. So you see what others have done. Even if I don't know that I am Brahma right now, but you can take examples of others. Then this Brahma Vidya Stuti, when I hear, then I understand this Vidya is really great. So even if I am not there yet, what they have praised, Vedas or Acharyas, it is a great thing. So then I will work for it. That is how Brahma Vidya Stuti will help others. When Brahma Vidya Stuti is done so much, for the sake of Brahma Vidya, if I have to let go of other things, it should be easy for me. No struggle. Vidhantarena tasyaha stutim aha. Apicha evam stuta Brahma Vidya. Yasmat Yajnavalkyena samsara margad vyuttishthatapi priyayai bharyayai प्रीत्यर्थम एवं अभिहिता. यस्माद याज्ञवल्क्येन संसार मार्गाद व्युत्तिष्ठता अपि, the one who was rising above this samsara marga from the samsara grahasashrama, because that is called vyutthanam. So vyuttishthata yajnavalkyena tritiya, both are samanadhikarana. व्युत्तिष्ठता याज्ञवल्क्येन अपि प्रियायै भार्यायै प्रीत्यर्थम एव अभिहिता. For the delight of this his wife, he imparted this knowledge to her. How? Priyam bhashase eva, priyam bhashasa ehi asva iti lingat. Because in the mantra it was said that you have been always dear to me, but now even dearer because you are saying something so good that you said, I don't want all these things, but I want Brahma Vidya. What you know, you tell me. So, Ehi, come closer. Aswa, sit here, I shall teach you. This is a linga to indicate that Yajnavalkya taught this Brahma Vidya to someone who is dearest to him. Means what do you share with people whom you love? What is so precious? What is so good that you like? That you share. You see, that is what he did. This is the stuti of Brahma Vidya. Very nice way. In so many ways, Brahma Vidya stuti is done. See in Tika. कथम ब्रह्म विद्या भार्यायै प्रीत्यर्थम एव उक्ता इति गम्यते तत्राह प्रियं भाषस इति आख्यायिकायाः स्तुत्यर्थत्वं प्रतिपाद्य we will see tomorrow. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.